We're glad you could join us today as we take a look at the latest evolution of Manus AI. It is truly a busy time in the world of artificial intelligence, and we have been watching closely as these tools move from simple chat boxes to actual agents that can get things done. Today, we are going to walk through the new 2026 features to see how they really perform when it comes to simplifying your daily workload. Now, starting things off with a big shift in how we interact with our hardware, we have the My Computer feature, which essentially brings Manus directly onto your desktop. This is a significant step because for a long time, AI was stuck inside a browser tab, but now it has the ability to see and interact with your actual computer environment. We found that this allows the agent to understand the context of what you are working on in real time, whether you have a spreadsheet open or a local folder of images you need to sort through. Instead of having to upload every single file to a cloud service, the agent can navigate your local directory to find what is needed. It feels much more like having a digital assistant sitting right there next to you, looking at the same screen and helping you manage your local files without the usual friction of moving data back and forth. This integration means you can ask it to organize your downloads or find a specific document from last Tuesday, and it actually has the permission to go into your system and do it. It is a very practical approach to desktop management that we think will save people a lot of time who deal with heavy local file structures. Moving along from the desktop to our daily communications, we should talk about the Meeting Minutes capability, which is designed to handle the heavy lifting of documentation. We all know how draining it can be to sit through a long call and then try to remember every detail or action item that was discussed. With this feature, Manus steps in to observe the meeting and provide a very structured breakdown of the conversation. It does not just transcribe words, it actually identifies the key points and who is responsible for what. We noticed that the flow of these summaries is quite natural, and it manages to capture the nuance of the discussion rather than just giving a wall of text. It picks out the deadlines mentioned and the specific questions that were left unanswered so that you can jump straight back into work once the call ends. This really changes the way we think about meetings because it allows everyone in the room to focus on the actual conversation instead of being distracted by taking notes. It is a very reliable way to ensure that nothing important falls through the cracks during those busy Monday morning syncs. Building on that idea of visual and structured work, we have the Design View, which is a really interesting addition for those of us who deal with visual content or UI elements. This feature provides a dedicated space where you can see the AI's creative process unfolding in a way that is easy to follow and edit. When we tested this, we saw that you can give a prompt to change specific elements, like swapping out colors or adding new objects to a scene, and it happens right there in the view. It's not just about generating an image and hoping for the best, it's about an iterative design process where you can refine the output step by step. We found that being able to see the changes in real time makes the collaboration between the human and the AI feel much more fluid. It takes away a lot of the guesswork because you can see exactly how the agent is interpreting your instructions. For anyone working on mockups or just trying to visualize a new concept, this visual feedback loop is a major improvement over the standard text-only interactions we are used to seeing. Next up, to keep all these different parts of our work life moving together, we have the Manus Connector, which serves as a bridge between all your favorite tools. What this connector does is it allows Manus to reach into those apps and pull the data together into one unified workflow. For example, we can ask it to look at an email, find a date, and then automatically create a calendar event or update a database without us ever leaving the Manus interface. It essentially acts as the glue for your digital ecosystem, making sure that your information is not siloed in different places. This level of connectivity is what makes an AI agent truly useful in a professional setting, because it understands that work doesn't happen in just one app. It's about the ability to move information freely and accurately across the platforms we already use every day, which really helps in maintaining a steady pace without those constant interruptions. Following that thread of navigating different platforms, we have to mention the browser operator, which is perhaps one of the most practical tools in this update. This is a browser extension that basically gives Manus the ability to navigate the web just like a human would. The great thing here is that we don't have to switch to a specialized AI browser or change our habits. We just use the extension in our existing environment. It can handle things like logging into sites you already use and navigating through complex web pages to find specific data or perform actions. We were impressed with how it handles things like CAPTCHAs and login walls that usually trip up simpler bots. Because it works within your own browser, it maintains your existing sessions and preferences, so it feels very integrated into how you already browse. It's like having a co-pilot for the web that can go out and do the research or fill out forms while you stay focused on the bigger picture. It really extends the reach of what the agent can do because the entire internet effectively becomes its workspace. Now, taking all these capabilities and putting them into a structured environment, we arrive at Manus Projects. This is a dedicated workspace designed to keep your various tasks and files organized so things don't get cluttered. We found that this is particularly helpful when you're juggling multiple different clients or types of work. You can set up a project space for something like a blog, add your specific guidelines and SOPs once, and then every task you start within that project already has the right context. It solves the problem of having to repeat yourself or re-upload the same instructions over and over again. We like how this works for teams, as you can share a project and everyone gets that same context instantly, which cuts down on version confusion and the constant asking for files. It makes the AI feel like a long-term partner that remembers your specific rules and preferences for each individual project, rather than just a tool that forgets everything once a session ends. In the end, we feel that Manus AI has made some very smart moves for the upcoming days by focusing on how these tools actually fit into our existing lives. These features show a real understanding of the need for desktop integration, web navigation, and organized workspaces. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and get some time back, definitely recommend giving these new updates a try today. Try it out and share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.